Hey y'all, welcome back to the Rockin' Adventures of the Director in Hollywood. On the channel today, I'm going to install some Rockford cell phone handlebar mounts. Alrighty. Here we are, the Rockform motorcycle handlebar phone mount. Looks pretty hoopty-doopty. And I got a new case. Let's get into her. Okay, here we are with the unboxing. I already took this stuff out. So what you get, Allen key, and it's magnetic. Sorry for the crappy video. Magnetic Allen key, bar holder, different size rubbers for your bars, different size bars, and your cell phone case. And I believe if you cut this out, it snaps right into there, plus it has the magnet. Okay, let's see what I can do. So I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but this snaps in the hole, then you turn it and it locks in. And then right where this circle is, there's a magnet right there. And she's locked and loaded. This puppy ain't going anywhere. Let's get her on the bike.
Oh, I wonder where that old man of mine is. Hollywood! Wonder where you are. I wonder if Hollywood is in here. There you are!
In case you busted me, I'm installing the Rockform cell phone holder, and as a bonus, I got it plugged in without drilling any holes in the box. I don't know if the camera can see, there's a little hole in the cupboard here, and I ran the phone jack out so I can power my cell phone. So I can power your cell phone when we go on an adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep your knees in the breeze. Ride safe.